Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Binance Welcome Voucher. First, navigate to your Binance account and find the Rewards Hub section. This is where all your available vouchers are stored. Once you've located your Welcome Voucher, carefully review any specific activation requirements or conditions. Finally, simply click the Activate button to successfully claim your reward and make it ready for use. It's a straightforward process to get started. Binance offers several types of welcome vouchers, each designed to enhance your trading experience. You might receive a cash voucher, which directly deposits funds into your spot wallet, giving you immediate capital. Another common type is the trading fee rebate voucher, which helps reduce the costs associated with your trades. Lastly, futures bonus vouchers provide additional capital specifically for futures trading, allowing you to explore more advanced markets. Understanding these types helps you maximize their benefits. Redeeming your Binance Welcome Voucher is typically quite simple once activated. For cash vouchers, the specified amount, perhaps $5 or $10, is automatically deposited into your spot wallet, ready for immediate use. Trading fee rebate vouchers automatically apply to your eligible trades, reducing your transaction costs by a certain percentage, like 25%. Futures bonus funds are added directly to your futures wallet, providing extra capital for your futures positions. No complex steps are usually required. Before using your voucher, always pay close attention to the terms and conditions. Most vouchers come with an expiration date, often 30 days from activation, so be sure to use them before they expire. Some may require a minimum trading volume or specific asset trades to unlock the full reward. Additionally, completing identity verification, also known as KYC, is often a prerequisite for fully utilizing certain voucher benefits. Always read the fine print to ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.